So in this video we are going to see the various parts of an operating system. So that's mainly in that of Linux. So when talking about the parts, there were two major parts. So that's user files and the kernel files. So these were the major parts which make up the operating system. So kernel controls the major operations in the operating system. So it is most crucial thing for an operating system. So it controls all those stuff like the time management, data management, and the allotment of resources for each task, and its completion time. So when talking about the user space, it's totally up to the user. So it's allotted for the user, so they can do whatever they want in that space, and it's for storing user interface files. So that make up the operating system. And when talking about the kernel, so many people mistaken kernel for an operating system, but actually it's not. So kernel is a part of an operating system and not itself an operating system. So when we come to the parts of the kernel, so the kernel has several parts like the processor, memory management, hardware, the device drivers, file system drivers, network management, various other bits and pieces. So these make up the kernel. So these are the major process which is carried out in an operating system. So in this diagram we can see the how various process which is undertaken by the kernel, so which includes some virtual file system management, memory management, process management, and after that abstract network services. So these were like it has all those storages and resources which is needed for carrying out an operation. So these make up the kernel. So thank you.